In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write in the margins in Google Docs. This can be a really helpful tool if you're looking to add notes, comments, or additional information alongside your main text. So let's dive right into the step-by-step process. To start things off, you'll want to open a document in Google Docs. If you don't have a specific one in mind, feel free to create a new document for practice. Now, once your document is open, let's move on to setting up the margin note. Go to the top menu of your document and click on Insert. This drop-down menu allows you to add various elements to your document, ranging from images and drawings to charts. Today, we'll focus on using the drawing option. So, select Drawing from the list and then click on New. This step essentially opens up a new interface that enables you to create graphical elements or text boxes. Now, with the drawing window open, click on the text box icon. This icon might resemble a tiny square with a T inside it, essentially representing text. Click on that and you'll be able to drag and create a rectangle where your text will appear. Once you've got your text box in place, feel free to type in whatever notes or additional content you want to display in the margins. After you're satisfied with your text, click on Save and Close in the top right corner. This action will bring your newly created text box into your document itself as an image. It'll initially sit among your main text, but don't worry, that's perfectly normal. Once the text box is in your document, click on it to reveal some additional options. You'll see choices such as behind text. Select this option to ensure your margin note doesn't interfere with your main content. It's crucial for ensuring everything remains comprehensible and clear. Next, you'll want to fix the position of this text box within the document. Click on Fix Position on Page. This choice locks it in place, allowing you to freely move it elsewhere without worrying about it jumping around as you edit your main content. At this point, you're ready to drag the text box into the margins of your document. Find a spot along the left or right margin that works for your layout and simply drag your text box there. It's really that simple. If you need to add comments or even more notes, simply click on the comment button that appears near your text box. This can be especially useful if you're collaborating with others who may want to add feedback or insights directly. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily write and manage notes in the margins of your Google Docs. Feel free to test out these steps on different documents to see how they can work in various scenarios. Thank you for watching,